Amazon Prime Day 2024 is just around the corner, presenting Prime members with a multitude of sales and deals to explore next month. As one of the most anticipated shopping events of the year, Prime Day offers significant discounts across a broad spectrum of categories, including clothing, shoes, household essentials, and consumer electronics. This event not only provides exclusive deals for Prime members, but also includes select sales open to all Amazon shoppers. During Prime Day, nearly every product category is likely to see discounts, from everyday necessities to high-end tech gadgets. This makes it an ideal time to shop for items on your wish list or to stock up on essentials at a fraction of the cost. Furthermore, other retailers such as Target and Best Buy often run their own competing sales, increasing the number of deals available to shoppers. Preparation is key to maximizing the benefits of Prime Day. Knowing what to expect and planning your purchases can help you navigate the plethora of deals more efficiently. Here's what we know about Amazon Prime Day 2024 so far. Here are the top 8 deals on Amazon Prime Day. All product links are provided in the description. 8. Apple AirPods 3rd Generation. The latest generation AirPods are now available at their lowest price ever. These AirPods feature personalized spatial audio, providing an immersive listening experience tailored to your unique ear shape with dynamic head tracking. They are rated IPX4 for sweat and water resistance, making them perfect for workouts and rainy days. The powerful Lightning charging case offers up to 30 hours of total listening time, ensuring your AirPods stay powered throughout the day. The Force sensor allows you to control your entertainment and manage calls effortlessly, with each charge providing up to 6 hours of listening time, and the always-on Hey Siri functionality enabling you to activate Siri without lifting a finger. These AirPods seamlessly connect to your iPhone or iPad, switching between devices automatically for a truly hassle-free experience. 7. 4-pack of Apple AirTags. Priced at $80, saving you $19, this 4-pack of AirTags reduces the price per tracker to just $20. The simple one-tap setup instantly connects AirTag with your iPhone or iPad, ensuring a smooth experience. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology guides you to your nearby AirTag with ease. The Find My network helps locate items with the assistance of millions of Apple devices, making it easier than ever to find lost items. All communications are anonymous and encrypted. You can also play a sound on the built-in speaker to help locate your items, or ask Siri for assistance. With the ability to put AirTag into lost mode, you'll be automatically notified when it's detected in the Find My network. 6. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. At $40, saving $20, Amazon's most powerful streaming dongle is available at its lowest price. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max offers enhanced streaming with 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos audio, ensuring a cinematic experience in your living room. Its powerful processor guarantees lightning-fast app starts and smooth navigation, making it easier than ever to find and enjoy your favorite content. The Fire TV Ambient Experience allows you to display over 2,000 pieces of art and photography on your screen when the device is idle, transforming your TV into a dynamic piece of decor. Alexa integration lets you control smart home devices, check the weather, and more, all with your voice. 5. Ring Alarm 5-piece in white. This Ring Alarm pack is priced at $320, saving you $40. It includes a base station, motion sensors, a doorbell camera, and a Ring indoor cam, providing comprehensive security for your home. The 1080p HD video doorbell lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet, or PC. Enhanced motion detection, privacy zones, and night vision ensure you always have a clear view of what's happening outside your door. Setup is straightforward via the Ring app, and the system is compatible with Alexa for announcements and two-way talk, making it easy to monitor your home even when you're not there. With the Ring Protect plan, subscription sold separately, you can record all your videos, review missed events for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos with others. 4. Echo Show 8 2023 model. Available for $150, this sale price is only $5 more than its all-time low. The Echo Show 8 features an 8-inch HD touchscreen with spatial audio for immersive entertainment. The 13MP camera offers enhanced video calling with auto-framing and noise reduction, ensuring your video calls are crisp and clear. It also serves as a smart home hub, controlling Zigbee, Matter, and Thread-compatible devices. With adaptive content display, you can easily access your calendar, reminders, and other widgets with a glance. The Echo Show 8 also transforms into a digital photo frame, displaying your favorite memories with adaptive color technology. 3. Echo Buds 2023 model. Priced at $50, these Echo Buds are one of the top picks for budget wireless earbuds at a record low price. They offer rich, balanced sound with 12mm drivers, delivering crisp audio and balanced bass. The semi-in-ear design reduces outside noise while keeping you connected to your surroundings, making them perfect for both listening to music and taking calls. The Echo Buds feature seamless switching between devices with multi-point pairing, allowing you to move from a video call on your laptop to music on your phone without missing a beat. With Alexa on the go, you can control music, make calls, set reminders, and more with just your voice. The long-lasting battery provides up to 20 total hours with the charging case, and customizable tap controls allow you to tailor the earbuds to your preferences using the Alexa app. 2. Echo 4th Gen with Sengled Bluetooth bulb. This bundle is available for $106, offering 40% off the latest Echo speaker paired with a top-rated smart light bulb, Finger. The setup is simple. Plug in your Echo device, plug in the bulb, and ask Alexa to discover your devices. No smart home hub is required, and you can set up routines and schedules through the Alexa app, making it easy to automate your home. The Echo also supports lossless HD audio on select streaming services and can be paired with compatible Fire TV devices for an enhanced home theater experience. 1. Amazon Kindle Scribe. On sale for $240, saving you $100, the entry-level Kindle Scribe bundled with the basic pen is at an all-time low price. This device combines the features of a digital notebook and Kindle, allowing you to read and write naturally with a 10.2-inch 300 ppi glare-free display. The Kindle Scribe lets you convert handwritten notes to text, share them with contacts, and browse notes on the go via the Kindle app. You can take handwritten notes within millions of titles available in the Kindle store, making it a versatile tool for both reading and note-taking. Additionally, you can import and mark up documents, review and take notes directly on PDFs, or create sticky notes in Microsoft Word. With the longest battery life of any Kindle, it offers months of reading and weeks of writing on a single charge, ensuring you stay productive wherever you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendation.